Good morning. My name is Fernando and I am record this video because your customer service team asked me to provide evidence for my request for a replacement or refund my headphones. In this video, I will show you the damage and explain the problem. These are the headphones I bought. As you can see, the folding part is completely broken. The frame no longer supports the left side, so I cannot wear them properly. The headphones still turn and, uh, and charge correctly, but the physical structure is completely damaged. Now I will show you the damage. You can see this part is completely broken. It no longer holds the headphone together. Now I will turn them on to show you that um, still work. As you can see, they turn on normally and they also charge correctly. The only problem is the broken frame. I have always used this headphone carefully, and I believe this damage should not happen after such a short time. And for this reason, I am requesting a replacement or a refund. I hope this video helps you evaluate my case. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching my video. I look forward to our response and I hope you can solve this issue soon. Have a great day.